Welcome to Ride JBI. This is JB. Today I finished up a set of suspension for a 2023 KTM 350SXF. This bike comes with the WP XACT AER48 air forks. These were swapped out with the KYB Conversion Kit. This was revalved to a JBI spec for motocross. The kit features 2 KYB dampers and 2 genuine KYB springs for the internals. And again, the settings were revalved to a JBI spec for motocross riding. This kit can be found at ridejbi.com and has lots of details on it regarding the pricing, all the different setups we offer for it, and other upgrades. These forks were set up to match the new WP linkage rear shock. We also revalved that, and that is discussed in another video. All JBI services and parts can be found at ridejbi.com. Thank you for watching.